Break or something like that.
Okay, yeah, and just give me plenty of warning and I'll bump it up if I need to. What kind of speed do you want going down there?
Let's start about 120 on the first pushover, and I'll advise us to start to speed up.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, jets are 80 right now.
Oh, thanks.
Just
You go
Yeah,
Vito,
it's
yeah.
not going to be that bad. Towards the end, we'll probably have to steepen it up just a little bit.
Okay.
All right, there you go.
Yeah.
So we're just starting up higher.
Yeah,
and then
just to
going
get down in that hole, yeah.
Okay.
We're staying as low as we can, so we have to contour all the way down. The train is going to be on both sides, but we're going to make a turn to the right. You may see the smoke and have to pull the trigger for me, just say verbally, you know, or just point it out, you know.
Okay. Hopefully he'll puff smoke for us too.
Idle.
All right, and one more time, we're going to.
Yeah.
Do you like the tank?
Yes.
All right.
Okay, on 140, I'm going to start slowing to about 130 here until across this ridge.
Likewise. Yeah, full plus.
There you go.
I'll have it revved back too.
Okay. And if you want power, you call it and I'll do it, otherwise they're yours.
Yeah. Now, if I don't grab the RPM right away, you get it on up there.
Will do.
2600 or better.
Okay.
Okay, start to slow it now to 120.
Yeah, we're in trail. There's the notch.
Okay.
I like start with it. Looking good.
Okay.
I'm maintaining 130 now.
130, okay, I'll give you 130. Okay, gonna kind of hug the left side of the drainage here now.
Okay, now 140.
Okay, 140, I'll bump it up.
Come back to 20 inches. Doing good.
Okay, it gets a little steeper here.
All right. Set the RPM to
I'm
24.
gonna start that dog leg to the right. It's the smoke right at the very bottom.
Got it. Yeah, pulling flaps at 145.
Okay, right through here.
On it.
Here comes 20 flaps.
Jets.
Coming in.
Flaps up. Very good.
You got 2600.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah, good line, good job, guys. Okay, did that work?
It worked for me. My eyes are wide open.
Ah, perfect.
Just like the Matterhorn. We're going to come out left, go all the way around this thing, I think. You can see how the drift's going.
Okay, you bet.
I'm on the right, I got you.
With the drift smoke and everything, and we're going to be getting down in the shadows and everything, we might just call that last one for the night.
Okay.
I've got,
And I have a good side, Bob.
All right, I go over there.
There you go.
Air attack.
Lead
Lead 1-2 air attack.
You can come back to island.
Yep, A firm, concur with that. No, that was definitely a good drop in there. How'd that feel?
You want 2400?
No, you can come back to 23.
Yeah, that's not bad. It's just, we were actually able to see a little bit better on that one than we were with the last one. Okay, copy. And then we got one more on load and return. Yeah, 1-5 will be coming out again. Okay. Yeah, I think he even might have tagged on to the drop that 1-5 put in there.
They got in there too. Cool.
That is awesome. Yeah, that looked, with what I'm looking for. Fun. It is kind of fun going down there. Yeah.
All right, out of here, buds.
All right. You done with these now?
Yeah, you can idle.
They're idled.
Okay, good. I'm good.
All right, I'll shut down.
Yes.
All right, here we go. 2 good shutdowns.
Back on hold, man.
All right. Jay was texting me.
Over to the hangar.
Yeah.
Gas in the morning then.
Yep, or Monday morning, yep.